Kalsa. A Mandamento Tribunali is a historical quarter of the Italian city of Palermo in Sicily. Names. The common name of the quarter, Kalsa, derives from the district's historic Arabic name, Al-Kalisa, meaning the purest. The formal name of the quarter, Mandamento Tribunali, meaning district of courts, derives from the presence of Inquisition courts at the Palazzo Chiaramonti. History. Al-Kalisa was center of the city of Palermo, conquered by the Normans during a battle against Arab forces early in 1072. The other district, Al-Kasr, took its name from the castle that stood there, though there were several fortified buildings in Al-Kalisa too. Ibn Jubair visited the area in the end of the 12th century and described the capital is endowed with two gifts, splendor and wealth. It contains all the real and imagined beauty that anyone could wish. Splendor and grace adorn the piazzas and the countryside. The streets and highways are wide, and the eye is dazzled by the beauty of its situation. It is a city full of marvels, with buildings similar to those of Cordoba, built of limestone. A permanent stream of water from 4 springs runs through the city. There are so many mosques that they are impossible to count. Most of them also serve as schools. The eye is dazzled by all this splendor. In ancient times, much of what would later become Al-Kalisa was underwater. Stories abound of Hamilcar and Hannibal docking the ships at the Kala Bay, the ancient city's port, in preparation for attacks on the Greek city of Himera eastward along the coast. The walls of the Phoenicians and Carthaginians' older Punic city extended to what was once the confluence of the Papyrus and Kemenia rivers, where Al-Kalisa begins. The center of Al-Kalisa was located near what is now Piazza Kalsa, though much of the squares present arabesque ambience, such as the Greek Gate, is due to 16th-century revival movements based on Spanish Moorish themes rather than anything we can trace directly to the Emirate of Balham. Nevertheless, Al-Kalisa was known for its narrow, winding streets, and some of the existing ones clearly follow 11th-century patterns. This is one of the features that gives much of old Palermo its distinctly Arab atmosphere, though this has to do with much more than architecture. Geography. Kalsa is delimited by Via Maqueda to the west, Via Lincoln to the south, Foro Italico to the east, Via Vittorio Emanuele to the north. Culture. On summer evenings, Kalsa, an arts festival, is held in the streets of Kalsa. Sites. Monuments.